guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I just wanted to talk to you guys about my hair growth journey. So if you'd like to see this video, just keep watching. All right guys, so this is my hair, no wig, no crochet braids, nothing like that, just all me. Let's see, how I'm trying to figure out how I even want to do this video. Oh, let me preface this video by stating that I am in no way, shape, or form an expert in hair or anything like that. I just do what works for me, and these are the results that I've gotten with what I've been doing. Now, I do have my sister who does know a lot about hair, and she kind of give me some tips and tricks, but I forget everything she always says. If she says use this product, I'll use it and see how it works, if it works for me or not. I have found a couple of products that I have liked a lot more than others, and the ones that I just always use, and I feel like these products are what are currently working for me, and I'm sticking with that. So I will start by saying that I have seen the most hair growth by using a specific hair oil, and that hair oil is by Marian Hampton. It's her hair growth oil, and it says it has black seed castor oil and rosemary in it. So this is the bottle. Like, you would go to her website to buy it, and I'll leave all the links to everything I mentioned in the description box down below. And I will actually do that because I be slipping and don't want to just hardly ever do it. But nonetheless, I'm going to do it in this video here because I think that if you want to have any kind of hair growth, you should definitely get this product. I absolutely love it. Now, I have tried a bunch of hair oils in the past, and I've even made my own hair oil. Now, I think when I made that, it was kind of good, but I just got tired and got busy and wasn't able to keep up making it. But I feel like this works really well. I did see a substantial growth from month to month, and I think I've been using this for maybe like 3 or 4 months, but I have really noticed growth. Now, I do intend to insert pictures and things of that nature. If it's not, because I am new to this whole editing and YouTube thing, so if it's not like in each section, then it'll be at the end. But I know I'm gonna add some pictures. Okay, so let's see. In about, I can't even remember what year it was. I know when my daughter was still a toddler, so some years ago, my hair got I had to cut it. And now when I say cut it, like, it was probably like right here, like really, really short. Had to cut it because it was a disaster situation, and it got really tangled. And anyway, so I had to cut out my hair because I couldn't get it untangled. So I then started to put like weaves and stuff in my hair, and I had this amazing stylist. I think his Instagram and all that is Styles by Paul. I'm not 100% sure, but I will leave that in the description. But he was able to braid my hair and weaved it up. Amazing job, phenomenal. He is an amazing stylist, and he did grow my hair. So it got to a middle length hair, probably like maybe here or whatever have you. And then I can't remember what happened, but I think I started to get braids. So my second mom, she started braiding my hair, whatever, so that was good. No, before her, one of my students, because I teach adults, I don't know if I've ever said that, but I teach adults. So one of my students, she started braiding my hair, and it was good. I'll leave her information down below too. So my hair is like steadily picking up, and then that's when I started to make my hair oil. Made the hair oil and was putting it in. But I'm not the type of person that every other day I'm putting it in, or every day I'm putting it in. I'm real lazy when it comes to hair products. I don't know. So I put it in whenever. And I did notice some hair, like I said, some growth, and it was picking up. So now it's probably like right here, maybe here, whatever. Okay, so then I started doing the wigs because I was like, okay, I was spending too much money getting my hair braided and all that stuff like that. So I said, okay, let me do some wigs because you can keep it in longer. And I would just, you know, do it like I normally do, just part of two. No, I would do these like elaborate cornrow patterns. And then I was like, well, why don't I just do two? But this was still, like I said, I was doing these elaborate braid patterns and just getting really annoyed because it would take me so long to get my hair, to do my hair. And then I did notice that the substantial growth and everything like that. And I'm sorry, this is actually the hair oil, and I meant to change this shirt. I don't know why I stood in front of here and started, so I'm just gonna turn it that way. Okay, good. So after that, that's when I started, my second mom, she started braiding my hair, and I would go back and forth, wigs and braids. And that's what I do currently now, wigs and braids. That's just my thing. Then my sister and I, we started doing all the different hair oils. So we got all these different hair oils from all these YouTubers and Instagram people, stuff like that. Some things like the Main Choice. I remember we got a hair oil from them, and just experimenting, to keep on experimenting. Okay, so I was like, all right, so now we're probably like maybe here, probably, yeah. Okay, so fine. Then I went to just solely crochet braids and did that, and then, you know, so now we're like here. Then I got into back to the wigs and alternating between the two. But then I picked up I'm trying to remember. Oh, my sister sent me the Miriam Handsome hair oil. She sent this, and I was like, yeah, okay, I'll try it. So at first I didn't, and I just left it kind of in the where I put all my hair products. I just put it in there, and I was like, okay, whatever, and just let it go. Then I said, all right, let me try it. So I used it, and I used that and the virgin hair fertilizer. So I would braid my hair with the virgin, like when I was doing the crochet braids. After my mom finished the pattern, then she would go ahead and put the African virgin hair fertilizer on the scalp and leave it. And then I would put the hair oil in when my scalp got dry, like throughout the process of keeping it in the crochet braids. And I did that for a while, and I did notice a substantial growth. I want to say that's when it got, like, you know, its most growth with those two products. So I would say, like, and I think then I didn't use Miriam Handsome at first. I was using another one, and I think I still have the bottle, so I'll go grab that and put it down below. But the virgin hair fertilizer, that did work. The first version, because they came out with a different one where they tried to add some fragrance with it, and I feel like it doesn't work the same anymore. Okay, I'm trying to not make this boring. Okay, so then after that, I just said, okay, well, I'm tired of the virgin hair fertilizer. I don't think it's working, so let me just use the hair oil. So then, you know, like I said, Miriam Hampton. So I used her hair oil, and I just noticed, like, my sister noticed. She was like, wait, your hair grew that much in that little bit of time? Because I would just wash it like once a month, because I hate washing my hair. And I was like, I didn't really notice it. But then she did because I would always send her a picture. So she's like, okay. She would take it, make a photo grid, and be like, well, this is what you said was this month, and now this is the next month. It did grow. So I was like, oh, okay, yeah, it is kind of growing. But lately now, I just noticed, I think it just grew a lot. Like, as I braid down my hair, I'm like, interesting. It is kind of growing. So I was like, why not? Let's do a video about it. And I'm sorry, my hair is like, I don't know. Like I said, I don't know anything about hair, so I don't know the texture, or, you know, how they be like, there's a 1 to 4B or 5A or whatever those numbers are. I don't know what it is, but I do know that my hair doesn't stay straight, so it's gonna it's gonna want to kink up. I don't know what you call it, but like, I'll have an afro if no matter how, depending on how long we stay how long this video is, so I just want to apologize in advance in case my hair just goes all the way out looking like a crazy person. Okay, so yeah, what was I talking? Okay, so the hair oil, yes, great hair oil, love it, hands down. I use it now every single time I re-braid my hair. So between washes, you know, when I'm at least once, maybe twice a week, I will re-braid my hair because, you know, sleeping on it and just scratching your scalp, it looks messy. So every time I re-braid my hair, I will apply a little bit of the oil to the scalp and just massage it in like I did in the video. And I don't know if this video is going to be this is going to be one long video or it's going to be two separate videos, but anyway, the part where you see me talk about the process, you're gonna see me massage my scalp, but that's what I try to do most of the time. Okay, and then yeah, I lost my train of thought. What was I talking about? So anyway, it'll come back to me. Let me go to the process. I do the shampoos and conditioners that I use in the video. I use those all the time, and I have been using them for quite some time. I feel like they work the best. And then also, you're gonna see me, like when I blow dry my hair, you're gonna be like, well dang, how much product you gonna put in your hair? But it's not, I don't put a lot, and I feel like they're light and they each serve its purpose. Like I have a blow dry spray that's supposed to help decrease the amount of heat you put in your hair and decrease the time that it takes to blow dry it out. And I love that because before it used to take me like an hour or two to do my hair, which I don't have a lot of hair, so I don't know why it took me so long, but it did. Now it took, I think that video was 40 minutes. It took me 40 minutes to do my entire hair. Then there's a Pantene one. I think it was by Pantene. I don't know, but that was like the strengthening spray, so that way it decreases the damage that the heat would do to your hair, like, you know, so the breakage. Then of course I started oil before that. I used the Cocoa Conscious, that hydrating thing that I will talk about in the video. That I love because I think that has grown my hair as well. And it's real light. It looks like it's thick, but it's actually real light. The two Redken products, those, like, it's anti-snap. So like when I was detangling it, I didn't want it to, like, the ends to break or whatever have you. So that's why I put that in. And I don't know, I just think that this growth it has been doing really well. My hair has been growing back really well. I used to have like some super long hair, but like I said, had to cut it. What else? I don't know what else to say in this video, and I'm already on 13 minutes. So this video, by the way, is not sponsored. Would love to have been sponsored, but it's not. I shout out to Marian Hanson and her Miracle Hair Growth Oil. I love it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If the clips haven't come yet, they're coming now about the hair progression, so you can see that and you can judge for yourself if you think that it grew. I hope this video was kind of helpful and it was like informative enough. If not, then just let me know. I can answer any questions down in the description box down below. If you want to see more videos like this, click like and subscribe, because I think I'm gonna do more depending on the response of this video. And yeah, just watch my journey with me. Come along. Oh, I would say too, I do drink a lot of water. I don't know if that plays anything in it, but like I would drink mostly water. But anyway, because I've heard coffee that helps. Vitamins, I don't take any vitamins or anything like that, but I told myself I'm gonna have to start this year. But I don't take any hair vitamins or anything like that. I'm trying to think. Oh, the hair mask part. I'll talk about that in the video, but that was kind of funny to me. But I don't do any deep conditioners or anything besides what I'm gonna tell you guys about. But I don't really do a deep conditioner. I don't think that's called deep conditioner. I don't know. I guess I shouldn't have did this video because I don't know that much about hair, but yeah. Anyway, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for watching this video. Shout out to my babies. Mary Martha Charlotte, my little prince. Thank you for everybody for watching. Until my next video, bye guys. All right guys, so now I'm just going to show you some videos. This is from the longest to the shortest. Not pic videos, I'm sorry. I'm going to show you some pictures. So yes, this is like my hair growth journey through this year and the end of, well, I should say 2019 and the end of 2018. So the last picture will show you the shortest, probably the shortest length that my hair has been in the past few years. Say it like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video once again. Thanks.